Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in kitchen organization. Today, we're showcasing what could be the best spice rack you'll ever own, the SpaceAid Spice Rack Organizer. If you're tired of dealing with cluttered kitchen drawers and messy spice cabinets, this is the solution you've been waiting for. This spice rack is a game changer for any kitchen, offering a sleek, modern design that fits perfectly in cabinets, on countertops, in pantries, or even mounted on your wall or door. Its compact size, measuring 13.4 inches wide and 10.8 inches high, ensures it doesn't take up too much space, while still offering plenty of room to organize your spices. The rack comes with a total of 28 square glass spice jars, each made of lead-free, durable glass, ensuring that your spices stay fresh for longer. The jars feature both sift and pour lids, allowing for easy shaking or spooning, which makes seasoning your food a breeze. In addition to the jars, this set includes 386 spice labels, with 340 pre-printed labels that cover both common and exotic spices, along with 46 blank labels for you to customize. The waterproof and tear-resistant labels are reusable, so you can easily adjust your collection without worrying about wear and tear. It even includes a chalk marker to write on the blank labels, making this rack as customizable as you need it to be. The spice rack itself is made of high-quality steel with a black powder coating, providing a sturdy and durable structure. Its four-tier design allows you to see and access all your spices with ease, making it simple to find the right seasoning, even when you're in a rush. The inclined design of the rack ensures you can grab your spice jars quickly and efficiently without the frustration of digging through a drawer. As part of the set, you also get a collapsible silicone funnel, making refilling your jars a clean and easy task. This funnel prevents any mess while you transfer your spices, ensuring that the whole experience is smooth and hassle-free. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a casual cook, the SpaceAid Spice Rack Organizer is designed to make your kitchen life easier. Its ability to mount on the wall or door also means you can free up valuable counter or cabinet space, keeping everything organized and within reach. If you're looking for a way to organize your spices efficiently, make your kitchen look more stylish, and ensure that your spices are always fresh and easy to access, this is the best spice rack for you. Don't let your kitchen stay messy. Upgrade it with the SpaceAid Spice Rack Organizer today. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the best kitchen products out there.